Very, very important English language. All of you, a very good afternoon. Mukesh sir has given me the job of telling about the English language. Are you eager to hear about the English? Yes, crowded voice. Going into the some English, most of difficult part of our life and our career today. Is English professor elder, all of you respected as our senior told you that he is also scared of English. All of us as our scared. I teach English, but English is not my mother tongue. English also is to me a strange language. So all of you need to think like I thought in order to improve. If I could improve, why can't you improve? Is my English all right? Do you want your English to be like mine? It can easily be like mine. It's not difficult. I am also just like you who learned English with a lot of difficult. School doesn't matter. Bhojpuri medium of convent school doesn't matter. What matter is motivation. So you hear motivation. All of you, only few are saying yes, very good. If you want to learn motivation, you have Mukesh sir. He is full of motivation. So please remember that first thing you have to ask yourself today, now, at this moment. Now I have diagnostic why my English is very poor. The reason is because never speak. You cannot speak English unless you and read regular for at last 1 month. Impact is getting over 28 February. Call me improve. Yeah, it's not if no day couldn't practice. Sleep on the day, don't eat on the day unless you practice. English, don't do anything. Can you save so much motivation in 6 months? Impact in the Even I am going home, no need to practice English very good. You are learn, you know, don't mind things impact all those attach will be good. A beautiful he is reason situation what impact in the given him under the full throat. But remember, but unless you practice doesn't become good. All people are very good when the start and slowly observe in the society. Today there is what call come when I go to school. I don't want what 2026 is. Sum 2026 is tsunami. Before not tsunami, what read in the geography book, tsunami means also then. Mine is tsunami. Okay, finish it. So the language you are not experience, you are not experience language because you are not practice English to reason is because no confidence. Every day listen, every day writing, every day speaking, every day reading. Why you so many time repeated my real friend is the runway, my cell phone. Please remember real impact. You are running, learning come soon. You are improve in English. Please write. Suppose very angry with your friend, fight with them, but fight with very create problem. Come home and write the about them. Say I had my friend. Then 20 sentence, 30 sentence, 40 sentence daily. My word meaning and sentence quickly, quick. Fight not very good. India simulate means create the late as the writing down for a skill, reading and speaking, writing speaking for the 1 hours, half an hours, 12 hours. I will give you guarantee. You no 1 years warranty, 6 month warranty, 5 years warranty that you English become excellent. But you don't practice, no improvement. I can't give you any capsule. I can't say go to medical shop, buy 10 tablet one morning and one evening. After then, there's good English. There is no such as in the market. There is only one that is hard work. Are you willing to hard you now do something serious? You will be study 16 hours, 12 hours day. You so many good our city rank how to study by practice. Only situation is practice. So if you do time management every day is good study, not good study is not, you not serious is your problem. Because no confidence then English, my English is right. You feel now confidence. Somebody telling about no confidence. Now you add self confidence plus English. H, what self confidence? First is moment have I can do it. I am the capable. Don't think can't learn English. It not possible for me. It learn English. Don't think like that. All of you thinks that I can learn English, and learning and means speaking and writing. Now many you have writing. I can see which language we are writing in. Then why do you speak say English? You can so you can English. You not writing in English language writing. And very often I tell you want to write, please write in Bhojpuri become, because pronunciation is very good, but in write in mother tongue English pronunciation is very difficult. So all was we write in mother tongue is very easy. So you can learn English. All was remember that if you learn by teaching ourselves, that is, but depend, don't depend, sir. But you can don't depend, sir. My our any other sir don't what call that self learning. Self learning means pronunciation for the yourself. So how will you practice speaking if you have no friend? You speak to yourself. No, you have been changed play. chase with coins and then put go and there can back coin and going to the come there, can you please don't like that you talk to yourself but talk to English only, use the language English. Somebody said interview a skill so you can interviewers practice interviewer once possible to English. Don't like that I can learn English, tell me about ourselves, then go and sit and chair and speak and English. The interview event job for required English. The interview is English. Many of their state service and the central service there will be work. One region just you can you village in our state. You can only speak English and Bhojpuri all your life, but interview is English, but don't get the job. How will you work? So all this process we need good English. That is why speaking improvement important. English is very important. Self phone phone your recording your speech. Listen to our speech. If you self say other listening and feel head other her video camera and doing record our own speech. See how speak saying like that nervous English is stable the reason because we have not practiced. All the people speak the mother tongue are better. Whole world. Germany don't speak English. The France speak France better, but don't speak English. India at last speak English. That why getting benefit, but today China is overtake India. China don't know English. English teacher for India and Chinese student. But China is capturing in the market. You are not getting the chance. So do you really want to good career? Then you learn English. But practicing to speak every day must speak at last 5 and 10 minutes loudly and clearly listen and every day 5 and 10 minutes. But 5 and 10 time reading every day loudly so you can hear on the page minimum 5 time, not less than 5 time. All of must listen and real 5 times same message so that English come to the heart then and the speak in English. You don't know Good English is the wrong speak English for three word English, one speak one word Bhojpuri. Accepted, no problem. After 1 month, see that reading Bhojpuri English become more. After 6 months, we will be become. Before first, you have the improvement. What is the Surya Bansi can you the speak English improve two things. First, improve and frequency and means thinking and speak once. What we don't eat think, then we translate, then we speak. So gap between think and speak, when then ask speak, and mother when we can I speak. Very very well fluently, very comfortable. When the see English fully silence, nobody won because so many idea in the mind. You don't have any word. Suppose somebody asks you, how did you like the impact course as you every day? So you see, I will tell you after 1 month impact. Now what is impact course? I will tell you about the after 1 month impact. Now are you going to think good nice English sentence, then the are the going to the that is not correct frequently as the soon as program over you are as program interview has be able to tell. So has be able to tell. So now look at get between in the mind, rear mind, and the how he speak, not pronunciation. Pronouncement resume all the is written. Sir, call on the stage. I will come to everybody in English tomorrow. How is going to come? Can you range to come? Can you range our hard in comment wonderful and speak in English fine today. You can in the after tomorrow speak without slowly. You are learn the most natural with learning English is the will the mother tongue. Don't any school and any college learn English like that. by practice. So who will that by practice? Who will you practice this? Is a question. Good practice. Who will you practice? This is a practice. You have friend with him. If you don't have, I told you. देखिए, आप डेली 5 मिनट 10 मिनट, चाहे आपसे जितना भी गलती हो, 100 गलती हो, फर्स्ट दिन आप पढ़िएगा तो 90 को आपको गलत आएगा, 10% सही पढ़िएगा, लिखिएगा भी वैसे ही सेम, बोलिएगा भी ऐसे सेम, ऐसे आपको करना है डेली, मात्र 5 से 10 मिनट बोलना भी है, लिखना भी है। आपको इजीली इंग्लिश यह बहुत इजी है बोलना समझना। यू आर ट्राई, आप ट्राई करें। इजी आप हर चीज इसको इजीली ले सकते हैं, बस आपकी माइंड और जो थिंक्स, आपका दिमाग, बस इस पे फोकस होना चाहिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।